let's start cutting our fabric out. I have got some green leg bands and waistband fabric in interlock here, which magically will change color into yellow in a little bit. You have got these little bits for the front pocket. It's a bit curious. I shall show you in a minute how that works. So let's put these to the side. And then I've got my gusset there, the little leg bands for the little legs. There we go, the back in which the gusset goes, and then the front. Now let's have a quick look at how we're going to put together the pocket. This curious little bit you've got there is going to fit on the side here. Now this is the only thing that might be a little bit difficult to cut out. So in a minute I'm going to show you how to do this. There you go, that's on both sides, and I put some violin on it or interfacing. You don't really need to do that, only if your fabric is very, very flimsy. So what you do is you put your front piece onto your fabric so that it matches exactly, and then with a 1 centimeter seam allowance, you place your pattern piece on it, hold it down with your finger, remove your cut front piece, and then pin your side piece into place. Now I know that that will exactly fit when I'm cutting it out, so that if you have a pattern, it will follow through and not look odd. It's also nice though to have it cut in a different color for a little bit of pop. So you have to see what you want to do here. So I cut this one out, and now when I put it on, you will see how beautiful that will fit. And I do the same on the other side. And that's it, we can get on with our sewing.